everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and I know it's been a hot minute since I posted a video for you guys. I'm going to take you to the desktop view and show you guys what I've been kind of working on, but I finally ordered some furniture for this room. It has been in the making a long time, and I'm really excited to get this room set up and get motivated again. I've just not been feeling it between all the things going on, lawsuit stuff, and moving into this house and trying to get settled in. It's just been a lot. It's been a lot to deal with, and I have not felt motivated to scrapbook at all, and I've been posting on my other channel. I've just been really enjoying vlogging and making videos and recipes and things like that over on the other channel, and I just haven't been feeling very scrapbooky, but I'm getting the itch again. So I'm getting my room set up next week, and I'm really excited to dive back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump to the desk view and show you guys a little bit of what I've been doing. I wanna talk about the great photo purge of 2018. So this has been a long journey of motherhood and taking every photo humanly possible of my child. Olivia is 3 years old now, and I'm at a place where I just want to get the pictures in the albums, and I don't want 5 billion pictures of each thing. It's been a very gradual evolution from where I was when I first started scrapbooking her. I wanted 20 photos of the exact same thing. I took like 1,200 photos a month and wanted to print every single one of them, and now I'm just like, I want the best photo of, you know, some sort of photo time. So of her on the beach smiling, I wanted the best 1 or 2 of those photos, and I went through all of the photos that I currently have printed. These are all, I think, from her first year. So I went through all the photos that I had already had printed, and I purged it down. So these 2 stacks are going in the recycle bin, and this stack is the stack that I'm keeping. I ended up spending a lot of time going through, and this is the stack that I'm left with to actually scrapbook. And I feel like some of these are duplicates. Like some of these photos I remember already scrapbooking, so it could have been that they were from the big camera versus my iPhone or Johnny's phone. So I have all of those photos in here kind of organized. Like this whole thing is 5 months and vacation photos. I can still pare that down quite a bit. I got all of her newborn session photos in here from when we, you know, had her newborn session when she was just born. And I will go through this further, but this is my 2 actually scrapbook pile, and this is the purged pile. And I feel 10 pounds lighter going through it like this. It's really hard, especially when I already have the photos printed. It's really hard for me to look at these and be like, oh, they're really cute photos of her. You know, she's still smiling in some of these. Look at that little crooked smile. It's super cute, but I also had like 4 other ones where she was smiling. So it's really hard for me on the one hand to get rid of these and not scrapbook them, but it's okay. You don't have to scrapbook every photo. If you're like me and you're worried about it, just let it go. And I've had to do that. I wanted to share that part with you because it's definitely been part of my scrapbook process, my scrapbook evolution. I've changed my style over the course of the years, and this is part of it. This is me wanting to take all the photos, print all the photos, scrapbook all the photos, and realizing that's just such a huge task to going to where currently, for 2018, I'm having a 2-page spread. It's a 1-page traditional page and 1-page Project Life page. And that's it, 2 pages per week. If there's some sort of special event like her birthday, I did a birthday spread, 2 extra pages, and that's it. Whereas before, I would scrapbook every single thing, and her first year album's not even done yet, but it's already like 2 albums or 3 albums thick. It's ridiculous. I've shared with you guys, I've gone back and purged some of those albums and made them a little bit lighter, and I'm doing that with the photos I still have left in the pile as well. So speaking of my current album, it is always on my scrap table or my scrap desk, and I have not actually done any of the actual scrapbooking, and somebody left me a comment like, isn't that just a photo album? Well, yeah, right now it is, and it's not even a completed photo album if you really want to get technical, because there's just photos stuck in a sleeve, but I haven't embellished, I haven't scrapbooked at all. I've gotten the journaling parts of it, and I did teacher gifts, and there's sequins all over everything. But that's what it looks like from week to week. It looks like that. I am to the first week in March. See, sequins. I just actually printed the last week of February, which is Olivia's birthday. So here's her birthday spread that's going to be made, and then here is that actual week. So like I said, traditional page, project lifestyle page. I will embellish it at some point, and you guys know it's been like 2 months since I posted a video. I just haven't been feeling it. I've been slowly working on pictures, and part of me not feeling it is my room's not set up, and I really wanted to get my room set up, so I did end up ordering IKEA furniture. It should be here next week. We'll get it set up and do a before and after tour for you guys. I do have a slight before tour for you guys. I will link to that down below, and I hope to get back into it. I just haven't felt the inspiration, and I didn't want to force it. So I took a step back for quite a few months, and I'm starting to get that itch again. So I will be getting my room set up, and hopefully that'll help inspire me. And I know that it's been a long time, but I wanted to pop on here and show you guys some updates. I have mentioned updates on my family channel in a vlog recently, and I thought I need to post this for you guys too, since it's been a really long time since I posted here. But I will have a room tour as my next video, most likely, because I'm getting my room set up. So I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. So I'm connected to the AC adapter. I'm just plugged into the wall, but there's my view of where I was filming, and I moved the little shelf over right there so that I have room for the new furniture that's coming in. I did end up getting 2 new rolly chairs for this room. I really liked my desk chair that I ordered for downstairs, and I ordered 2 more for up here. And so the next time you see this room, it's gonna be quite different. I still have all of the office stuff here that's gonna go on that side of the room. That's pretty much my update for today. I just kind of shared what's been on my mind as far as scrapbooking goes. I wanted to give you guys a quick update to let you guys know what's going on. I will definitely be posting a scrapbook tour. I'm just waiting for my furniture to get here next week. I'm really, really excited about that. As soon as we moved in, I had planned out my room in Illustrator with exact dimensions. I knew exactly what furniture I wanted, and it's taken me this long to even feel the motivation to order it. So I'm really glad I'm getting it done and I can get back in here more. I've just felt really uninspired, especially coming into this room with the stacks of stuff here and it not being set up how I want it to be set up. I hope you guys are well. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're excited for a new scrapbook room tour, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.